tucokereria na mugeni witu na ni nie ndiramba nyone ka ni tukuhota kwaria gikuyu nake riu niki uratheka
ni kurema
asa tika kwiyugithia turaria gikuyu sawa abiogithie mwiroreri no mwiri uria witagwo
mambo ni jitago Anto Neosoul ni demoini na yes I'm a musician
musician too
ama musician actor actor kwa Kikuyu ni nini sasa
muthaki
ni de muthaki no diendete mithako
hawe ni jack of all trades
yes.
Kwa kila mahali
yes.
So Anto wina rwimbo rweru ruretwo slow down thie kahora ta twire more about rwimbo rweru rwaku rweru
dina rwimbo rweru rwitagwo slow down na like the title slow down is a song about slowing down ni story yangu kutoka nizaliwe place ito Inooro Kawangware ghetto na it's all about young people trying to make it and make money and be famous and make fortunes very quickly na ultimately things like those you'll end up either in jail kana orago so it's me telling young people slow down because no matter what you seek in this life ultimately every choice has a consequence so slow down ni wimbo mpya ambao umeproduciwa na mtu aitwa Neosoul wa Mega Records ni rwimbo rwa reggae na andũ aingĩ mendete reggae muno and that's the reason why I decided to sing the song in reggae
unawaambia wa cool down
yeah cool down slow down msipatikane na kwa NYS turumreda besha si ya haraka
so umekuwa na project after project after project after song uko na movie hiyo short film na kuna venye movie ni song ni movie kuradhi atia
it's the same thing but before we do so where is this tea manze I thought it's so cold it's very cold
like mimi niko sawa mimi unajua ni ile ku freeze and shine
you know me I live in Karen so this is like I'm dying right now
aya wasewa Karen wapi
we have to Karen
niko nene mudo wako nuko
Karen so I need tea manze it's so cold
you okay
imagine have to get tea
kabla ikuje
no you get tea first manze I'm dying I thought I told you guys to get for me tea like a long time ago yeah
shida ya macelebs
yeah I know right
shida ya macelebs
so where is the tea
chai inakuja
sasa si kuja kwanza saa hizi
sasa ndio hiyo nilikuwa nimekuitishia chai
hiyo chai hebu iitishe tena
so hatuendelee na interview mpaka chai ikuje
tuendelee mpaka nipate chai ongea na producer wako ongea na line producer ongea na management where is my bloody tea I want tea
sawa sariwe mwiro haha kinyatukaga atia chai ni uroka Anto hora
ekeoke kana ni ukamamura kama iria thaa ici
haya
kare ukamamura kama you guys have been milking that cow for so long you guys where is my tea honestly like this is taking forever I want tea now
okay chai inakuja ni uroka
I want my tea now
haya mwiro reke tobe twethere Anto sai ni tugucokereria
I want my tea now yo you guys where is my tea
okay.
Can I please get my tea?
Okay, mpaka pate chai. Tujoin tu sawa sawa. Riwe tabiotige gutunegenera muno guo sai Inooro chai yako inakuja.
Wewe ni wewe kuruga chai wewe?
Nie joy kuruga.
Dio ruge basi ole. So I think it will take a shorter time. These people, they know me well enough to know this is not going to continue until I get my tea. It just won't happen.
Okay.
Mukamengo be.
Sawa Anto, sikiza interview yangu na sitakuwa leo take over. No igwa na sai waku saida kwera ni uroka.
Me I want tea. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Ipoje boisha. Ngoja chai kama.
No.
Mpaka chai kuje.
Yeah. Can I get my tea now?
Sawa, chai just
You since you're free, you'd have already made that tea by now. You'd have already made it since you guys have so much time on your hands. So Shii, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shii. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shii, dear Shii. Happy birthday, dear Shii. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Shii. May you have many, 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 many more. May you have many, many. May you have many more. May you have many more. May you have many, many more. Happy birthday. Wasaji.
Wow.
Hiyo ni ya mafisi. There's no song like that. So did I finally? You see, you brought me tea and I brought you cake. I need you to tell people that I'm a very nice person. They don't stop thinking that I'm a bad person. Happy birthday. We got you, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So on behalf of your show and your producer and everybody who works on your show, and all your cameramen, we want to wish you a happy birthday. That's why I was asking for the tea, because the tea was gonna come with cake. Man, then you come here and stand with your host. Thank you so much for all the job you do, and yeah, happy birthday once again.
Thank you, Peter. Sarunyo.
Me, I don't even think if this one even you. He didn't even know this. You guys can leave our set. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is our show now. You can go. No. Thank you very much. See you guys next week. So happy birthday. I know, right? It worked, right?
Hiyo imework. So kuna point ilifika niko no.
You are wondering
unafanya
why is
nini
this guy
hapa?
So you should buy cake. Yeah, it's your birthday. So Bas. I know all the men who watch this show are so mad at me right now. So we're talking about the movie. Those tears, what are those tears for? They were for I'm crying because Anto is disturbing me and I can't believe he was doing all this to surprise me, right? Anyway, so slow down. There's also a movie. So nili decide badala ya kuimba tu wimbo, na because hiyo wimbo iko na lyrics, according to me lyrics noma sana, ni first nipeleke watu kwenye mimi nilizaliwa, which is Kawangware. Alafu nika decide kushoot film ili watu wengi waweze kuona hiyo story ya hii maneno ya kutafuta fame, kutafuta dosa hizi, kutafuta na haraka inaweza kulead into prison, because inaaktiwa na Charlie ambaye ametoka Ungwaro anaitwa JD, na JD anact kama a young Anto, and then he gets a friend who's called Inooro, who's his best friend, na wakiwa pamoja wanafanya vitu mbaya, wanajaribu kuiba gari, wanaiba supermarket, alafu wanaiba supermarket wanashikwa. Sasa wanashikwa, ultimately the price they pay is getting to prison. And so ni story ambayo lazima wasiwa yangu waone story kama you understand that these things are possible and it will actually mess them up eventually. So yeah. Wow. Slow down.
Lakini mimi nimeshindwa kuslow down.
Umeshindwa kuslow down.
Bado na shake, bado nasikia kulia, bado sijui.
Usijali ni poa. At least it's always good for you to remember that people remember you. Ni muhimu sana.
Wow.
Yeah.